Hi guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I'm showing how to make free website in WordPress and within free web host. Um, where use free hosting from 000webhost.com. Where use this website. Uh, where use free hosting from 000webhost.com. Where use that. And so now going to 00webhost.com. I am now already come this website and now watch feature and now scrolling and now their offer add to cart if you paid if you can pay it from your hosting where used where now use free hosting. So where now click simply free sign up. I'm now click here. Now coming sign up. First you have must be sign up. Enter your email and enter your password. Now I'm now enter my email and password. Now create first account. Okay, follow this. Okay, finished my enter email password and password and now click sign up. Now click here. Okay, we are successfully sign up for create account in 000wifers.com here. And now looking, they're under scrolling and they are saying that we have sent a confirmation email your while verify your email address to continue your journey. Now check. I'm now check my email ID and confirm my verification. Okay, it's this or email for verification. I'm now click here. And now click verify email. I'm now click here. And now click there get start for starting website. Okay, now I'm now click get start. And now interface what you would like to do, how to make your website starting web learn development build an online store. If you make online store, now click here. Create web design. If you make a web design, so now click here. Now start a blog and others. I'm now click. I'm now select there. Start blogging. Okay, I'm now click here. And now for interface, what topic are writing about? If you write anything, fashion, photo, tourism, music, lifestyle. If you select one, they now write you your topic. Now select here. I am now select tourism. They're saying first a simple source browser. If you use the Jazz.fi first recommended Chrome browser, I am now already use Chrome browser, so I am now click here script. And to now enter your website name. I am now website name. You must be giving your website name because my website name is traveling. I'm now enter my traveling website name. And to now enter a new password for it's very important for your website. I'm now enter my password and to now click here submit. I'm now click submit. And now looking the new interface, choose your wide forms of the mass. Here in her tools box, choose your form of a mass. I'm now select install WordPress. So where because we make website use WordPress. So if you make a HTML and CSS code now upload here, upload your site. Now code if you already make code now uploads here. So when not we have no I have no HTML code, so I am now install WordPress. I am now select here. WordPress installed. So before enter admin name, if you make anything name, so I am now not anything name, just like admin. And admin password is the most important for your, because if you now log in your WordPress dashboard, if you must be needed admin name and password, so be careful, remind it. Okay, now installing my WordPress, so wait for a few seconds. And now install here. Congrats, is ready. Where our workspace is ready. Now go to confirm and now click go to configuration page. I'm now click here. Welcome in the WordPress login information. Now click here my admin name admin and my enter password. Okay, I'm now enter my admin name and password. Welcome to our WordPress dashboard. Welcome in the WordPress dashboard for our doing everything in here. Now create post, now install theme, and now install plugin. So everything doing in here. So we're now successfully install WordPress website. And now looking our website, how to looking my website. Now click dashboard. Now click visit site. We're now looking how looking my website. Now click here visit site. Now looking our website because we're not install any theme. Then next we're now install a theme. Then our and customize my website. We're now going to back my dashboard and now install our theme. Now install before our theme before working, that's going to plugin and uninstall all plugin now active here. Now going to plugin and to install plugin, click here. And now going to plug action and now select deactive. Then now click apply. Now deactive, so now select all and now going to blank action and select delete. Then now apply. I'm now doing this. But successfully all delete here. We're now install theme. Now going to appearance and to click theme. And then now click add theme. Click here. And to now write Astra. Now click Astra and now click install. Now installing Astra theme. Okay, install. Now click for active. Now click active. Okay, successfully install our Astra theme. Now click get start. For activating. Now select Elementor. Now select Elementor. I'm now click Elementor. Now looking many themes, so free themes and paid theme. We're using free theme. Now select free. And now looking there are themes, it's always free. We're now select like it. Okay, now select my theme for website. Then select and now click import complete site. Click here. Waiting for a few seconds. And now next click import. Okay, successfully import our theme successful and to now basic site. Click here. Wonderful, our site now we're already installed here and so looking is very good. Wonderful. uh, our site is looking very beautiful. We are now create next video how to thank you for watching my video. Watch for next video how to customize WordPress website. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Allah Best.